Hey guys, welcome back to the Fragrance Wardrobe. Today, I am going to do a little bit of an unboxing, first impressions on some fragrances from Eris Parfums. This will be some samples I got from Eris Parfums. They do offer discovery kits, and if you do purchase a discovery kit, I want to say they're around 30 bucks, and you get a coupon for like a percentage off of a full bottle. And they also have travel atomizer kits as well. They're like 10 ml atomizers of all of their fragrances, and you get an even bigger percentage off if you go with one of those to apply to a full bottle. So check them out. You can sample them. You can even pick up, I believe, individual samples from them if there's something you're interested in. Their fragrance Green Spell, their 2021 release, Great Tomato Leaf Accord, phenomenal. That one made my green for spring niche list this spring. Great scent. So we're going to figure out what else they offer. I'm going to tell you guys what I think about each one and whether I might buy them or not. But before we crack this open, I'll remind you guys, if you like this type of content, please like the video. Also, consider subscribing and being part of the Fragrance Wardrobe community. So that seemed kind of lame. All right, so we're going to crack it open. All right, so here we go. Right here we have Eris bubble wrapped. Good presentation with the bubble wrapping. It's going to protect everything very well, and they're in a little bag, so I like that. A little drawstring type bag here. And I do believe, let's see, you have a booklet, and this is going to have the information on each of their fragrances. That's going to come in handy, and I'm going to keep and hang on to that because this is a house that people who know about it, and they like them. A lot of people don't, though, and it is a house that I do want to really dive into and probably collect. So, all right, here's our decants in here. Look to be like, yeah, these look to be 2 ml. These look to be 2 ml decants. There's 6 of them. I have Green Spell, which I own a bottle of. You have MX, Eau de Parfum, MXXX. I bet you that's like a number or a year, but I don't know my Roman numerals very well. So if it is, I don't know it. And that's going to be an Extrait de Parfum. And then we have Bette, Eau de Parfum, Night Flower, and Belle de Jour. So let's crack these open. Now, one of the cool things about Eris that when I was kind of really looking into the house a little bit more, trying to discover more about them, they do have fragrances that were like finalists and runners up for different fragrance awards. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so on this decant, the atomizer cap kind of popped off on it, but this is going to be the Bette, and it's leaking some juice here, but I can smell it very well, and it's really good. Now that's a really nice scent. I feel like it's still pretty unisex, although really I really think anybody can wear this one pretty well. I want to say I'm picking up some sort of woods within there. Definitely getting neroli in here, and neroli is a really nice note. I do enjoy that a lot. Maybe some jasmine. Yeah, I think there's probably some jasmine in here as well. Something, just a tap, maybe like a touch of spice. Not for sure what. But I do get the neroli. I'm pretty sure I'm picking up that jasmine. And there is a spice or two in here. All in all, though, this is a really classy, like elegant type of scent. Very sophisticated. You could dress this up very easily. I might say this would probably work best in cooler weather, maybe like spring, fall, winter, maybe not the heat of summer, but would go really nicely like on a summer evening or something dressed up. Yeah, it smells really good. So there we go. That's a really good fragrance. Very, very nice. That is one that I got it on my hands now, so I'm going to smell really good. So that's one that I think I'm going to have to add to the collection. It's pretty good. It's really classy, and I like that. I do like to dress up and, you know, suit up, stuff like that. So that would play really, really nicely. And ladies, you could wear that too. I don't think that it's like so unisex that some guys wouldn't want to wear it, but I don't think it's like too masculine or anything like that. I don't know, I just think it goes really well either way. Okay, next up we have Night Flower right here. A little bit wet, but I'm gonna go on skin with these. So okay, that's Night Flower. Wow, that's really good. That's really, really good. Wow. Yeah, so Night Flower is really good. Pick up some bergamot in there. Maybe, oh, there's got to be cinnamon in here. It has to be. Yes, I'm picking up cinnamon in here. Maybe some patchouli. It's really, really good. Wow. This one I think would be another really good one for like fall and winter as well. Could probably go light on the trigger in the warm weather with this. All in all though, that's a really, really good scent. Night Flower is amazing. I thought it was going to be, just from the name, like reading the book by the cover kind of thing, by the name, I thought it was going to be something like very floral, like rose type of thing, something like that, or something very like on the feminine side. But no, this one could go either way. I mean, definitely go either way. And again, just like the first one, this is like a very classy, elegant, sophisticated type of scent that would dress up really well. I'm gonna have to get a bottle of this. That's really good. Night Flowers, 2 thumbs up. I really, really like Night Flower a lot. Okay, and Belle de Jour right here. We'll hit the other hand. That one smells pretty good too. Really, really good. Quality, well blended, niche perfume. It's good. Again, sophisticated, elegant, you know, you got your stuff together type of fragrance. Very nice. Might be a touch of jasmine in here. I'm guessing maybe some cedar. What is that? There's some sort of little spice in there, like that kind of makes it feel like an oriental spicy type of fragrance, but it's not overly spicy. That's a really good scent. So out of these 3, I like all 3 of them very, very much. I think that all 3 of these are, yeah, they're all something that I'm going to want to add to my collection, especially for the fall. So when fall rolls around, I start doing maybe like some fall list or something like that. Do be on the watch for these because they're probably going to be in my collection by then. All right, moving along in this package, we have Green Spell MX and MXXX. And again, I'm sure those are like Roman numerals, but I don't know my numbers. So, okay, we'll go ahead and start with Green Spell because I know it quite well. I've worn it, I own it. It made a list on my channel. You go check out that spring list. Not even gonna have to spray it. Green Spell, definitely like the definition of unisex because it has like that greenness that it doesn't really go one way or the other. It depends on really what you think of that scent. What you're getting in here is a very much a tomato leaf accord, and that's what you're going to smell like. If you smelled a tomato plant, the leaves of a tomato plant in the spring or early summer, that's what you get in Green Spell. Almost identical. So natural that you would think that you're actually smelling the leaf of a tomato plant. That is what it smells like, and I don't think you can really place a gender on that. I think it definitely goes unisex, where depends on the wearer. If you want to smell like that, wear it. If not, don't buy it. But not that one, I don't think it's going to be for everyone, but if you like that type of scent, it's a must-have. Okay, we'll go with this MXX now. The other one, I think, is like the new version of that, I want to say. And we'll hit here. That's really good. Okay, so the first three that I went with, definitely very much feel that those are going to play really well in cool weather, cool to cold, fall, early spring, winter. And that could be why they were packaged together. So far, knowing Green Spell and this MX, they really feel like warmer weather scents to me. MX is light. Just really nice. This, I think you can wear it casually if you want. Pretty much, I mean, you can wear it anytime you want for any situation, but I really think this one says like formal, elegant type of fragrance. That seems to really be the theme with Eris, for what I'm getting right now. If you're looking for quality, sophisticated, elegant type of fragrances, this house seems to, in my opinion, specialize in that style. With MX, I think I'm picking up a little bit of ginger in there, some woods, maybe a little bit of sandalwood. I think there's going to be some patchouli in here. Maybe vetiver, maybe. So when I first sprayed it, I was thinking, that might lean a little feminine, but as it dries down, I feel like it's really equalizing out. Yes, this smells like something that you would get from like a Tom Ford private blend line. I mean, it's really good. Very, very nice. Okay, let's hit MXXX. We'll hit the other arm, and I'm going to be smelling really good for the rest of the day. Okay. And this one is going to be an extrait de parfum. The MX is a eau de parfum. That's good. Wow. Wow. It's different. Okay, so there is a difference between this one and the MX. Now, I would say like maybe they're going to be aligned or something like that. You know, the MX line, where one is definitely going to be stronger, one's going to be not as strong, because one of the things I am picking up between the two is that the scent is kind of the same. There are differences, but there's a lot of similarity there. With this one, the MX, it's much more light though. It's lighter. Yeah, it's lighter, and I think it's played on the lighter notes a little bit more. Whereas the MXXX is richer, fuller, darker. There's something kind of, I think there's benzoin in this one. I don't know if there is in this one though. Okay, so benzoin is a note that you find a lot of times in cooler or colder weather fragrances. I'm definitely getting it in the MXXX. I don't know if I am in the MX. Yeah, I'm definitely getting it in this one. I'm not really picking it up here. So I am picking up a lot of similarities though. So what could be happening here is there might be a couple notes that are changed, or the amount of each note has been adjusted. Like this one, I think there's benzoin added in this one, maybe not in this one, but there might be some adjusting of the amounts of the ingredients. And it does kind of give off different fragrances. Yeah. And just off of the initial reaction from these two, I think this was going to last a lot longer, because it does have that really rich feel to it. Almost like a little bit of a smokiness in the background. I like that a lot. Kind of picking up a little bit of smokiness. It smells really good. All in all, Eris Parfums. Wow, these are good. I don't know how these are not like all over everyone else's channels right now. They're really, really quality. So if you're familiar with houses like Memo Paris, stuff like that, you know, that's very expensive, but very high quality. This is like, Eris fits right there with them. If not beating them out a little bit. And all of these fragrances, yeah, I could see them going on a man or a woman. Pretty unisex, I think. This one, the MXXX, I think might lean a little bit more to the masculine though. Well, maybe. Wow. These are all really good offerings. Wow. I'm glad to have sampled these for sure. They're definitely worth the discovery kit. If you don't do anything else, get the discovery kit, because there's something in here I think for everyone, and you will be able to use like a coupon in order to get a little bit off of a full bottle. All in all, every single one of these are amazing. Now I don't know which ones have like been finalists or have, you know, been up there for these different fragrance awards, or any that have won, but they all, in my opinion, definitely some of the top scents that I've smelled in a while. They're really good. They could all really run for whatever award and win. These are good, guys. All right. If you haven't already, check out Eris Parfums. They're also on Instagram. If you wanted to, you can check them out there as well. I'll leave their website linked in the description. Yeah, check them out. Really good offerings. Amazingly like high quality niche perfumes here. They're just really good. Extremely good. All right, I appreciate you guys watching the video, my first impressions. If you like this type of video or this type of content, please like the video. Also, if you made it this far and you know the video's ending, you're still watching me, I want you to consider making this official between you and I and the Fragrance Wardrobe. Commit to the channel, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. I'll catch you guys with the next video. Thank you for watching.